say, what is stopping farmers to be climate warriors, or what is stopping this kind of transition?
So a couple of things. One is people are not aware of this methodology of regenerative farming. I think it's lost. Like I said, it's something which was already existing for years. We've forgotten those methodologies, right? Agriculture is right now being reined in by monopolies. Very large industries are, monitoring its progress or growth or the direction in which agriculture takes, right? So whether it's the seed companies, whether it's the chemical companies, whether it's the pesticide companies, they have a long and a strong say in the way agriculture is kind of moved. Now, the farmer who is working on the ground gets his inputs from the seed shop, which is his local seed shop, right? So if I go, like even when we began initially and when I did not know anything, my go-to advice person was the seed shop, right? In terms of which seed I should buy, what chemicals do I need to put in, or what fertilizers do I need to add. Everything was the owner of the seed shop guy. And he was giving me a list of what I need to do, when I need to do a schedule, and so on and so forth. So the issue that we are facing is that they themselves are not the expert, right? They are being fed in, or they are being given this information by the companies. Right. So what's happened in the entire journey of farming is that the farmer has lost an understanding of what are the techniques that he needs to use to be building sustainable agriculture, and is being directed by a certain invested group. And that is one of the biggest reasons why I think we've derailed ourselves. The second thing is obviously, a farmer or even the customer, they're not aware of what is the climate footprint that agriculture is currently having. So there are no conversations about it. Nobody's talking about it. I don't even think farmers come into the picture of sustainability. We don't think about sustainability and growing food as a combination. So I think there's a very big gap in the conversations we are having about sustainability, because it's only about very few aspects of what sustainability is all about. But we are all aware of it. It's just that it's not in the front of our minds about why and how we can mitigate it using agriculture as an important tool. I think that's what is missing.